Let's get into rebuilds part 2. If you feel called, go watch part 1. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Your soul will let you know. So let's get into it, Soul Tribe. Let's dismantle one of the biggest lies they ever handed you. You were never lazy. You were just drained of your life force energy. That word was never a diagnosis. It was a dismissal. You weren't lazy. You were depleted, spiritually drained, emotionally overloaded, energetically carrying things that were never yours to fucking hold in the first place. Your nervous system wasn't designed to absorb everyone else's expectations, trauma, and chaos while smiling through it and calling it fucking productivity. What they called a lack of motivation was actually exhaustion from surviving in a system that rewards fucking disconnection. You were breaking patterns without language for it, processing grief you didn't create, questioning a world that never felt right in your body, even when you couldn't explain why. And still, you kept waking up, you kept choosing awareness, you kept breathing when everything in you wanted to shut the fuck down. Some days existing was the work. And in a system that profits off of your burnout, that alone is fucking resistance. So let's retire the word lazy. What you were was overburdened, and the fact that you're still here, still healing, still choosing clarity means you were never weak to begin with. You were rebuilding before you even knew that's what you were doing. 147 on that timer. If you've been following me, that's a number that's been showing up a lot for me. I even did a post about 47. Scroll my feed if your soul tells you to. Think of it like, what is it, the slot machines? Just do a scroll, see what, says, hey, listen to me. There might be something in there that clicks a piece together for you and opens up a new doorway, a new, way of looking at things, a new perspective. If you made it this far, touch all the buttons, show some love. If this speaks to you and you want to learn more about yourself and this system and how to navigate through it, I started a Patreon, LaLa Land Academy, Tier 1. We're starting ground level, working our way up. I'm going to be introducing a Tier 2, but right now I'm starting with the base fundamentals because it's basically a go at your own pace. All the information is going to be there for you, and you just absorb it as you're ready to. Like I said, if your soul is ready, it'll let you know. Find me there. Come back for part 3.